Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to create the animated GIF in this device. Open camera, go to the camera settings. For this, tap on this 4 dots, tap on settings. Here you can see the option swipe shutter button 2. Tap on this one. So after this one you can see 2 options, take burst shot or create GIF. To create the GIF you need to select this one, create GIF. When you swipe down for the shutter button for the 30 seconds, it will take a GIF. Now go back. Now let me show you. Now open the camera. So here I am going to take a GIF. Just swipe down the shutter button for 30 seconds. Yeah. Now go to the gallery. Now you can see that icon, GIF icon is also there. Right? Now open that GIF. You can see that animated video you can see. So simply in this way we can create the animated GIF in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.